Hello and welcome to Memescape News, the best source of information on the current happenings of Memescape. I'm your host, Evan. Let's go over the top stories of the week. There weren't too many events this week, so I'm just going to get right into the... Earlier this week, Trump got into an argument with some reporters. Out of it, we got yet another Trump meme format. This time it's Trump saying, "You are the enemy of the people." Lots of possibilities here.
Ironic meme alert.
This has been a good week for ironic memes. Of course, we continue to have a lot of TikTok jokes, mostly stemming from I'm Already Tracer, but I digress. A new joke this week, stemming from this man wearing shirts of questionable maturity, has created an excellent brew of irony known as
Minion or the Bob. Hey, not gonna lie, kinda fresh though.
We also have a parody of MLG soundboards called Bruh Sound Effect 2. Very dank. To close out the week, we have apparently a new mascot of sorts for the subreddit Surreal Memes, Cube Man. Very dank. That's it for this edition of Memescape News. Did I miss something? Let me know in the comments and I'll mention it next time. See you ladies and gents later. Shirts of questionable maturity. There we go.